Today in this video, we'll see how to recover your USI number, unique student identifier. So if you've forgotten your USI, then this video is for you. So for that, go to the Google and type restore USI Australia. Then click on the first link over here. Then once you come inside, click on the student portal. Then once you click inside, agree with the terms and condition, click on next. Then here, go to the down and click on forgotten USI. Then here, put your email address. Then enter your email address. So in my case, so this is email address and my date of birth. Click on submit. Then your USI number is sent to the email address. So open your Gmail account and then you can see your USI number over here. And that's all for today. If you have any doubt, then please let me know in the comment section. I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in another video.